Hey, this is Nate with Collector CNC.
With me is Nick from Buckets and Stuff.
Hey.
Today we're going to talk about assembling your very own Collector CNC beer caddy.
Cool, what's this thing made out of, man?
Well, this is actually made from Baltic birch plywood. It has a sturdy 1/4 inch frame with a 1/8 inch living hinge wrapping, which will keep your beers secure and ready to drink. So, Nick, we've got a special surprise for you. If you will grab that package to your right.
Okay.
So, this is the packing that your custom beer caddy will come in. If you want to go ahead and pull that out, this is exactly what you're going to see when you get your kit.
It's all wrapped up and ready to assemble.
Ready for assembly.
All right, I'm going to unwrap this thing. Nice and careful like. So I see we got some tools in here.
Yep, so in the package you're going to find 2 tools. These are just really to assist in making sure that your caddy goes through and is assembled very easily. The plastic will stick to you, so be sure to fling it away. The first step is you're going to want to go ahead and unwrap the outer wrapping.
Careful.
And inside you will see...
Yeah, you put my logo on there.
First step in assembling your kit is to go ahead and put together the main frame. Okay. So I've got my own kit right here. I'm going to go ahead and grab this and we'll go ahead and assemble these together. Okay. So that it looks nice or so that we can show you just how easy it is to assemble your caddy. So the first step is to go ahead and unwrap the outer wrapping. Okay. And you're going to want to separate that from the main pieces. To assemble, first take the main frame handle.
All right, let me grab that.
And one of the side plates.
Got one.
And at an angle, just slide them together until the corners meet, and then they will slide down into place.
Goes down there, cool.
Take the second one.
Got that.
Slide that down into place. And then take your base plate, lay it flat, and drop all 6.
Oh, that's nice line.
Pins right in.
Yeah, that just goes right in.
Perfect.
Cool. So,
the next step, with your 2 hands, take and lay it on its side.
Okay. And it's universal. Each side's the same.
Yep, all the sides are the same. They only fit one way.
All right.
So, from there, take and line up the end.
Find the kind of middle.
Yep, find the middle. Line up the end. You should have 4 holes that line up.
Helps to have it right side up.
Yep, that is true.
Okay.
One thing you're going to notice is that on each of these clips, you have one side that's straight and one side that has a hook.
Okay.
So, on the ends, the hook should be to the inside. Take your tool and go ahead and align it so that the edge of the tool is on the hook edge of the hole.
Okay, so it's on this side on this part.
Right. Once you've got it there, just give it a little tap.
There you go.
Perfect. And then
super simple.
Work your way to the next hole.
I'm avoiding saying any jokes. Oops, don't drop it.
In some cases, you can even just pop them on, but I recommend using the tool on the bottom ones because this will ensure that nothing breaks out on the ply.
Cool. Just go around and snap them all in. Ah,
Perfect.
it's a snap.
Yes. Once the end is done, go ahead and roll it over to the side. Align the holes on the bottom. This is really just to make sure that things work out later on.
Oh, on the bottom half that I'm
Yep.
not currently on. Okay.
Then on the top, you want to stretch the living hinge just slightly so that all of your parts line up here.
Yeah, that's nice and flexible too.
And then again, take your tool, give it a pop.
Don't drop it. Remind yourself, if you're building it with a buddy, it's not a race.
Perfect. Now that that everything is,
Only slightly competitive over here.
you know, I've done this a few times. I
Yeah.
did design it from the ground up, so I happen to have an advantage there. Sometimes you got to give it a little harder whack there.
Give it a little
Pop
love.
that one in.
Oh, well, thought I had that one. Cool. So we're just gonna go around and pop all these suckers in.
All right, now that you've got one side
side.
completed and an end completed, reach underneath, flip it over,
Look at that.
and the good news is if you did it right, things should be pretty well lined up, and you
Yeah,
can
they
just
are.
remember again, inside, pop it down.
Oh, two of them popped in with that hit. That's cool. Cool. So now we got those. Now, what's the next step?
Last step is to put together the ends. So all you have to do is line up these two tabs, get them aligned, and then reach around and pull this one up. I did say that.
Yes, he did say reach around.
And the trick here is that you want to make sure that you get things kind of lined up before you actually start fully popping things together. So you're going to have to get a little bit of alignment done there, and then start with the side that has the protruding tab.
I'm lost. Which side?
So start with this side.
Oh, this
here.
side right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Give that a little whack. It doesn't have to go all the way on, but if you get it all the way on, the nice thing about that is then you can start to align everything else.
You just choose which one's next. You don't have after you get that one and it's staying.
Yeah, I prefer to put the two bottom ones on first, but
Okay.
that's just me.
So I kind of start with that one anyway. So
Once they're on, the nice thing is they pretty much tend to pop together with very little effort.
oh yeah, like that. There you go. Look at that.
We have a fully assembled caddy.
Ready for all the booze we can have in there.
Exactly.
I'll steal these from you.
I see how that works.
Don't worry about me.
If we need to change out that logo or put your logo on there, just contact us and we can do that for you.